Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great this morning. Hope you're having a great start of the week. And in this video, we'll talk about Bitcoin again. Yesterday, we actually did get volume into the markets. Volume right now is about $14 billion. So compared to last week, that's pretty decent, right? It has gone up about 70%. But in terms of movement, we actually haven't seen that much. Like we had a spike down to the 200 EMA. Amazing buy level, by the way. We talked about that as well yesterday, but apart from that, we are now still consolidating, and there's actually, I think, reason to be slightly worried at least. So I'll tell you about that. I mean, personally, I'm not too worried yet, but there are some things I think you need to know, which could turn us quite bearish on the short term, at least. So that's what we'll talk about in this video. Before we do that though, if you go to the description, you'll actually find a link to a new project called GRAPE, which I've partnered up with. But I do have to be honest, I mean, I usually don't partner up with projects. So I really think GRAPE has potential. They're building a new layer 1 blockchain with a huge transaction speed, and it's optimized for gaming and AI. And especially gaming right now, I still think has huge potential in crypto. AI potentially as well, but it's a little bit more difficult. So I would definitely, it's a 100% professional project. I really think it has potential, so check it out. It's down in the description. It's called GRAPE and the GRP token. So if you have a little bit of time and you're looking for some amazing crypto gems, check that out. But for now, on to Bitcoin. So the thing to start off with, and this is kind of fundamental, but the thing to start off with is that usually at the beginning of the week, money enters the market, right? So that's also what we've seen over the last 24 hours. Capital has entered the market. Now, usually those are institutions and those are market makers entering positions. So what you would like to see is you would like to see them open buy positions, right? So that's also what we saw last Monday. A lot of bullish momentum. So then you get those big traders in buy positions, which usually means that we will also get bullish momentum a little bit later. Now it almost seems like all of those institutions and stuff have entered short positions, which would be bad. Friday, perhaps when they close those positions, we could actually see some bullish momentum then. But right now, I actually do think that on its own creates a chance to why we could actually have some sort of a bearish breakout through 29,700, which is our main support level right now. Now, I do want to clarify that purely technically, if you take a look at Bitcoin right now, what you'll see is, and I still think this is the most likely scenario. I just think that the start of the week yesterday created some potential problems. I still think that we're in this fifth wave, right? So that we'll still get a move up to 34,000. And I still think that this consolidation area right now, which was also confirmed yesterday, this consolidation, I still think that's very strong. And I still think the most likely scenario is that it will hold. The thing is that there is, right now with that opening yesterday, there has, like there's now a chance that we'll have some sort of a, I couldn't find the word, but there's now a chance that we can get some sort of a bearish breakout like this, with a drop down to this level right here at around 28,800, which if we do get there, I do expect us to find support there and from there start another uptrend. But of course on the short term, that's quite a lot of bearish momentum, and it's nowhere near guaranteed that from there we'll get an uptrend because it's quite bearish. And you could see it as a reversal with all of the EMAs also on top of us then. So that's kind of the thing I'm worried for. I still think, like I said, that it's the most likely scenario that even though we might spike down a bit, that in the end we will be able to hold this and break above 30,300 and get up towards 30,800 and 31,000. I still think that's the most likely scenario, but I will be monitoring Bitcoin closely. And if at any point of time I see something happening which could cause a little crash like that, I'll be with you as soon as I can with some sort of an emergency update. All right, so I just wanted to prepare you for that. I don't think it's the most likely scenario, but it's definitely a possible scenario. So yeah, that's my take on Bitcoin for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.